everybody, my name is Ali and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on how to make rajas con crema. Here are the ingredients. We're going to need some corn, chile poblano, we're going to need garlic cloves, a whole onion, and crema mexicana. Here I already went and I prepped these chiles. I have 15 chiles total. What I did, I washed them first and I got rid of the seeds and all the little veins that come in them. I left 2 on the side so I can show you guys how to do it. I'm trying to get away. Let's see. So what you guys need to do is get your knife and push against the chile, and we're gonna cut it open. And what we need to do here is, see, it comes with all these, the seeds and the veins. We gotta get those out of here. We get them out of the chile because if you guys leave them in, they might be very spicy. So, just to make it less spicy, take them out. It's kind of like the same way that we would make chile rellenos. Okay, so get everything out. Okay, once you have your chiles ready and they look just like this, nice and cleaned up, we're gonna take them over to the stove. What we're trying to do, we're trying to blacken the chile because we're gonna put them in a plastic bag to make them sweat. We want all the skin to get soft so it's easy to come off. So if you guys wanna follow me here, we're gonna roast these on medium heat. I happen to have these little grills. Let me show you. They're not necessary, but I just happen to have them, so I'm gonna use them today. If you guys don't have anything that looks like that, it's okay. You guys could just put them over the fire, and it's gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put as many as I can, and I'm gonna put them here. You guys are trying to get these to, like I said, to blacken on each side. As they cook, we want to be turning them over so they get evenly blackened, okay? Can you guys hear that? That means we're cooking. Okay, so we're gonna keep these on the fire, and we'll come back to check on them, and I'll show you guys what they look like once they're completely blackened. Okay. So I'm blackening all my chiles, and I'm seeing that they are taking about 5 minutes on each side. Like you can see, I have them right here, and I'm just turning them over, making sure that all the sides are getting cooked and blackened. I have some here that already went through the whole cooking process. You see the skin is nice and soft. And I have a couple more to go here, but once I'm done, I'm going to show you guys what's the next step, okay? The chile poblanos are ready. They're already blackened. And we're going to get a plastic bag. And we're going to put them in here. This is going to help the chiles sweat off the skin. And it's going to be much easier for it to come off. I'm gonna put them in here. When you guys put them in, make sure that they are nice and bundled in. Make a nice little knot on top of the bag. We're trying to keep all the heat that the chiles have. See, and then you guys can start seeing already the sweating of the chiles. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna start working on my onion. Like I said, we're gonna need a whole onion and 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna cut this onion in half, and I'm just gonna make slices. gonna use my garlic. I'm gonna mince some garlic. The onion and the garlic are gonna give the rajas a very good flavor. But for now, we're just gonna let this sit and we'll come back. So my chiles are ready. This is the way they look. I already went and I took some of the skin off of them, and you could tell there's nothing inside of them. The skin's off. I left one so you guys could see the way it looks with the skin on, and then the way that I want you guys to do it to be able to remove all the skin. Okay, so we're gonna just peel them off. It should be pretty easy now that, you know, we took them out of the bag. We want to do the front and the back. Make sure that you get as much as you can off. Having a napkin like this helps because it helps you by cleaning your fingers off and then starting over. Okay, that looks pretty good. So what I did, I already have my frying pan on medium heat, and I'm gonna take my onion that I cut earlier and my minced garlic. I'm gonna add, it's about a tablespoon of cooking oil, because we wanna saute the onion and the garlic before adding the rajas, okay? So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna bring this here. You guys grab everything. So the onion's cooking behind me, and while that's happening, I'm gonna show you guys how to get these ready to go into the frying pan. We don't want the rajas to be cut too thin or too thick, so what we do, we like to remove this off, and then we're just gonna slice them, set them aside. Cut the top off. And we're going to do this to all the chiles. Then once we're done cutting out, I'm going to show you guys how to put them into the frying pan, okay? Our onion's ready. It's nice and golden brown. I'm going to add my rajas. This is the way that they look nice and sliced up. See? I'm going to add them to my frying pan. And we're going to cook our onion and mix it all together, okay? So my rajas have been cooking 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat with the onion. Right now they're ready for me to add the crema mexicana. This is 15 ounces. I might not need the whole thing, so I'm gonna just pour some as I go, and if I need any more, I will add some. But can you see here how they're mixing it together? Okay, so I'm gonna add the whole thing. And like I said, the whole amount is 15 ounces, okay? So, crema mexicana. I'm gonna make sure everything's nice and mixing together. And I'm gonna add my corn. This bag of corn is 12 ounces. I'm only gonna use half of this bag. You guys could always add more if you guys want to. And depending on the quantity of the chiles, you guys might need a little more. We're gonna let this cook, and once we come back, it's gonna be ready to eat. Okay, so my rajas are ready. This is what they look like. At the end, I did cook the rajas for 5 to 6 minutes with the sour cream and the corn, and this is our finished look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and watching all my videos, making comments. I really do appreciate that. Don't forget to like this recipe, comment, and subscribe. I recommend to all your family and friends. Today I'm going to be having my rajas in a taco. This dish is pretty simple. It could go, just like that. It could go in a taco, or you could combine it with some rice or some beans. It goes well with everything. Today this is how I'm going to have it, un taquito de rajas. So this is going to be part of my dinner. But please try it out and let me know if you guys like it, okay? Provecho!